Good morning, everyone. So yesterday again, we saw US market continue its decline, mainly driven by uh, the expected consumer price index, that is inflation, which is likely to come today. Uh, the expectation is at around 8.4% versus last month 7.9%. These CPI inflations are higher in last 30 years. So we are seeing the impact of all these high interest rates on bond yield also. So bond yield has also increased to around 2.82%, which is also multi-year high. And the Fed comment also we had seen. So all these are known fact, and we are seeing impact of the same on the share market, and specifically on the technology stocks, which are seeing burnt of all these inflations and higher bond yield. Apart from that, the other reason could be like China. We are seeing more shutdowns happening over there. We had seen that uh, even US has called off people who are not in emergency services. That is indicating that the lockdown and COVID is higher in China. Then and which is also impacting the demand for the commodities like oil and all. And apart from that, the other reasons is that the result season is also likely to start in US, which is starting from tomorrow, with JP Morgan and all few banks are likely to report numbers. So all these cumulative are having some impact on the US market and seeing some corrections. And even the futures are also soft in today's morning for the US market. Asian markets are also seeing some impact of the US market and are on the downside, and we'll see similar impact on the Indian market as well. Now I'll request uh, technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you. So good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Looking towards the Asian markets, we believe that our Nifty is likely to open with a gap down, and we are likely to witness a selling pressure during the day. For the today intraday purpose, the immediate support is placed at 17,570. Any move below that, we are likely to intensify our selling pressures, which might take a Nifty towards 17,540 to 17,500 levels. So these are the important support levels for the Nifty. Whereas the resistance is placed at 17,700, any move above that level, we expect a bounce back rally, which might take a Nifty towards 17,770 to 17,800 levels. But for the today intraday purpose, we are likely to keep an eye on 17,500 levels on the closing basis. If Nifty fails to maintain this level 17,500, then we are in the coming trading sessions, we are likely to witness a more selling pressure into the market. Coming towards the bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, 37,500 is the first support level. Below that level, 37,340, 37,200 levels can be seen on the downside, whereas the resistance is placed at 37,900 and 38,100 levels on the higher end. The overall view will remain a cautious to bearish on the Nifty and the bank Nifty sides, as we are witnessing a selling pressure in both the indices. Coming towards the Nifty Finance for today intraday purpose, 17,280 is the first support level. Below that level, 17,100 levels can be seen. Whereas on high side, 17,420, 17,500 levels can be seen on the high sides. As of now, we are not initiating any buy or the sell call. Let the market settle down at the support levels. According to the intraday trades, we will initiate a buy or the sell call as per the market trend. I think that's it from my end. I request derivative guys to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. Good morning, everyone. So, as per derivatives data, we are seeing, as per the overall market scenario on the Nifty front, continuously from the upper end, we are seeing that once the Nifty is coming around 17,800 to 850 level, we are witnessing some selling pressure from that level. And on the downside, 17,600 is a supportive zone. As I mentioned in last 2 to 3 trading session, also that 17,600 will act as an important support level till the time Nifty is holding 17,600 level. Till that point of time, we might witness some range-bound momentum in the market. Currently, as per the OI position in yesterday's trading session, we have witnessed that at all the near major strikes, we have witnessed that call order positions are getting added up. While on the flip side, we are seeing that the put order positions, which was highest at the 18,000 strike, got shifted on the downward to a 17,500 level. So some sort of pressure might be witnessed in today's trading session, but if in today's trading session, Nifty manages to hold support at 17,600 level on closing basis, then we might witness the supportive base for Nifty to be around 17,600 to 550 level. In today's trading session, the support for the Nifty turns out to be at 17,550 levels, as we are seeing that SGX is likely to open 150 points on the lower front. So once if Nifty manages to hold 17,550 level, and from that point, if we see the market starting to move on the upper end, then we might witness again the level on the upper end to be seen at 79,700 to 750 level. So current scenario, as per the OI positions and overall global trend, we are witnessing some sort of cautious momentum is being witnessed, as we are seeing that the expiry is tomorrow. So we might witness if Nifty manages to hold 17,600 level, then we might see pullback of 17 around 200 300 points on the upper end. While on the flip front, we are seeing that the India weeks yesterday gave close about 18 levels, and the premium for the Nifty was 49 points. So we are seeing in this April series premium is very high, almost around 40 to 80 points premium we are witnessing from last 4 to 5 trading sessions. So till the point of time India Wix is not coming below 15 level, and premium for Nifty is not going below 25 basis points, till that point of time we might witness the premium for options to remain very high. So currently hold your long position with the support of 17,600 level on closing basis. But if Nifty manages to break 17,600 on closing level, then we might witness the sell-off to continue till 17,500 to 300 level on the lower end. As per the stock specific, we expect selective stocks to be witnessed in today's trading session. First one is a cement counter looks positive, as we have witnessed that cement there was overall buying in yesterday's cement sector. So currently ACC and Ambuja cement looks positive. While on the chemical fertilizer front, Chambal fertilizer looks positive. On the negative front, we expect Persistent and Godrej CP Escort. This three counter looks negative for today's trading session. Thank you.
Good morning. Tata Motors is planning to ramp up EV production as demand has seen a huge spike for EV cars. Company has been receiving an average 5,500 to 6,000 bookings every month for the EV range. However, the company is able to supply only 3,400 cars for the month of March. So this is positive for the company. Delta Corp result has declined. Revenue increased by just 3% year on year and declined by 12% quarter on quarter. Growth was tepid in both the major segments. Casino revenue was flattish year on year, while online gaming revenue increased by just 8%. Overall EBITDA margin came at 31.6% versus last year 37.5%. So even margins have come off. Online gaming EBITDA was negative 1 crore compared to profit of 4 crores year on year. Although this quarter's numbers were poor, the casino operations are now allowed to operate at 100% capacity in Goa from March, and in Sikkim and Nepal from the month of February. So going forward, we think Q1 onwards, once these properties are fully operationalized, the performance is likely to improve going forward. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. TCS has posted its result yesterday. The company has posted in line set of numbers for the quarter. However, the order book stands strong. Order book for the company came in at $11.3 billion. The deal wins include two mega deals of $1 billion. Even removing that, the order book for the company has improved Q on Q. Last quarter, the order book stood at $7.6 billion. With highest ever order book for the quarter, management indicates that the demand outlook continue to remain strong and with more visibility. Increased outsourcing, cloud adoption, and growth and transformation are the growth levers for the company. On the margin front, in near term, there would be volatility in margins, and FY23 there could be some pressure on margins. April 1, the company will have wage hike, so the wage hike impact will be seen in Q1 FY23. Long-term outlook for the company is positive. Wipro has acquired Convergence Acceleration Solutions, a US-based consulting and program management firm. Revenue for this company in CY21 stood at $28.1 million. This is positive to Wipro. Thank you.
Good morning. Kesoram Industries reported declining set of numbers. Revenue came at 1,032 crores versus 876 crores quarter on quarter. Margin came at EBITDA came at 97.8 crores versus 110 crores sequentially. Margin have also declined to 9.5% versus 12.6% last quarter. The stock is trading at EV by EBITDA of 6.9 times on trailing basis. The company has also considered the proposal of demerging its rayon, transparent paper and chemical business carried out by the company directly and through its wholly owned subsidiary Signet Industries, and has constituted a committee to evaluate the proposal. Apart from this, Ultratech Cement was declared as the preferred bidder for Digao limestone block in an e-auction conducted by the Karnataka government. The block is situated in Tehsil Chittapur, which is adjacent to Ultratech's Rachri unit and has total cement grade of 530 million tons of limestone. This is positive for the company. JSW Steel's wholly owned subsidiary, JSW Utkal Steel, received environmental clearance to set up a greenfield integrated steel plant with a capacity of 13.2 million tons. The capex for the project is expected to be 65,000 crores, including associated facilities. This is neutral for the company. Thank you.
Yeah, that's all from us. Thank you very much and have a good day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.